Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily purchase pre-sale tokens in XDC.sale Launchpad. So first, you need to make sure that your wallet has XDC. I'm doing the Aputham network demonstration right now. So first, you need to connect to XDC.sale. So once you're in here, click connect, MetaMask, and account 3. So connect. Okay, so we're here. I was aware that there's a token named Islands that's on pre-sale that I want to join in. So I want to go and look at this token. So this token has a total supply of 1,000 ISL. Um, Soft cap is 10, XDC hard cap is 20. So the IDO rate is 10 ISL per XTC, and once it gets listed, it's 5 ISL per XTC. So I want to do, it says minimum contribution is 1, maximum is 5 XTC. So I want to try and get 1 XTC. So deposit, confirm. So once it processes, it's still pending. So give it a name. So now it's here. So from my 1 XDC, I was able to get 10 ISL. And I want more. So I want to add more. So deposit, confirm. Now I have 30. So I would be able to add a maximum of 5. Where's this? Maximum contribution of 5 XDC for this wallet. So if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to us and we will guide you on how to go about the pre-sale, getting tokens out of the pre-sale. Thank you.